We here discuss classification of electrochemical cells. We know that those cells which convert that chemical energy into electric energy are known as electrochemical cells. We already discussed about example, that is galvanic cells. Galvanic cell is an example of that electrochemical cells. That electrochemical cells again classified into two types, that is concentration cells and chemical cells. And in this topic, that electrochemical cells and chemical cells, then that electrochemical cells or galvanic cells again classified into two types, that is concentration cells and chemical cells. We discuss in this topic concentration cells, that both these concentration cells and chemical cells convert chemical energy into electric energy. That concentration cells mainly classified into two types, that is electrode concentration cells and electrolyte concentration cells. If we consider any cell, then there are two parts, that is electrode and electrolyte solution. In electrode concentration cells, electrodes are made up from different concentrations. Electrodes are considered or electrodes are selected having different concentration. And electrolyte solution, that is that electrodes are dipped in the solution, having electrolyte solution having same concentration. That cells are known as electrode concentration cells. And electrolyte concentration cells, in this case, electrodes selected having same concentration, same activity, but that electrolyte solutions having different concentration, This electrolyte concentration cells again classified into two types, that is electrolyte concentration cells without transference, and second type is electrolyte concentration cells with transference. Here without transference means that two electrodes are dipped in two different electrolyte solutions. Two electrodes are dipped in two different concentration electrolyte solutions, and that two solutions are placed in separate beaker, and that two solutions are not in direct contact with each other. Therefore, that electrolyte cells are known as electrolyte concentration cells without transference, because that two solutions, electrolyte solutions, are not in contact with each other. Therefore, there is no any movement of ions throughout that two electrolyte solutions. Therefore, without transference. And electrolyte concentration cells with transference, that two electrolyte solutions, that two electrodes are placed in two electrolyte solutions having different concentration, but that two electrolyte solutions are in contact with each other, that are separated, that are placed in same beaker, and that two solutions are separated only by transparent membrane, that is semi permeable membrane, which allows movement of that ions through that membrane, and therefore that two electrolyte solutions are in contact with each other, and therefore the movement of ions throughout that two solutions is possible, and therefore that cells are known as electrolyte concentration cell with transference. Then both these types, electrode concentration cell without transference and electrolyte concentration cells with transference, again classified into two types each, that is electrolyte concentration cells without transference reversible to cations, and electrolyte concentration cells without transference reversible to anions. That is, if we consider total net cell reaction, which is sum of oxidation and reduction processes at anode and cathode, if we consider that net cell reaction, which is redox reaction taking place in that cell during operation, then if that cell reaction, net cell reaction involves movement, transfer of cations, then that cell is known as cell reversible to cations. And if that cell reaction, net cell reaction involves transfer of anions, then that type of cell is known as reversible to anions. Both these types, without transference and with transference cells, are here classified into two categories, that is two categories each, that is reversible to cation and reversible to anions. In this topic, here we discuss one by one all these six type of cells, their example, their respective reactions, that is processes at respective electrodes, that is at anode, at cathode, and net cell reaction. And from that net cell reaction during the cell operation, we discuss EMF equation of each type of these all six cells one by one. If we consider a simple Daniell cell, that is chemical cell which convert that chemical energy into electric energy, then that cell is here given, that is Daniell cell. Example is zinc different zinc solution, copper different copper solution. That's two electrolytes are in separate beaker, and that are separate, connected by salt bridge. That double line indicate here salt bridge. Zinc rod is here dipped in zinc sulfate aqueous solution having activity 1 molar, and here copper rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution having activity 1 molar. Then here zinc is shown written first because where oxidation takes place at zinc electrode and reduction takes place at cathode electrode, therefore that one is written at the end of this cell representation. All rules for cell representation are given at SYBSc level, and it is considered that all that rules are known to all of you. Then we discuss here for this chemical cell, Daniell cell, cell reactions. At anode, oxidation. Remember that for chemical cells, concentration cells, electrolytic cell, anode is a electrode where oxidation takes place. What is definition of anode? It is electrode where oxidation takes place. Then here in this case zinc is anode, and oxidation takes place as a Zn solid from that electrode, dissociate as Zn plus 2 electrons, and copper, that 2 ion, that is here rod dissolves slowly, zinc solid rod which is dipped in zinc sulfate solution, that dissolves slowly. That rod atoms of zinc dissolves, that is get ionized as Zn plus, they convert as Zn plus ions, and as they convert to Zn plus ions, then that atoms are converted to ions with losing 2 electrons, and that ions comes in a solution. Therefore at this side concentration of Zn plus ions, that is positive charge of the that electrolyte solution increases as cell reaction proceeds. Then at cathode, reduction is there, that Cu plus plus ions from solution, copper sulfate solution, from that beaker, accept that two electrons coming from that circuit and that are converted to copper solid atoms, and that copper solid atoms are deposited on the copper rod. Therefore, zinc rod slowly dissolves, their weight decreases slowly, while in case of copper, due to deposition of copper atoms, their weight increases slowly because of that deposition of copper atoms from that solution, and therefore copper weight of that copper rod slowly increases as cell reaction proceeds. Then net cell reaction is here, Zn solid plus copper plus plus ions that convert to zinc plus plus ions and copper solid is a net cell reaction. Then E standard cell for this cell is E right minus E left, and by substituting that right side there is zinc and left side there is copper, by substituting standard oxidation potential of zinc and standard reduction potential of copper, we got that E cell for this galvanic cell whose value is about 1.1 volt, 1.1 volt. Then this is about that a chemical cell. But for this topic, in this topic, our our discussion is related to the concentration cells. Then here consider concentration cell, that is silver rod dipped in silver nitrate solution having activity A1, while another silver nitrate solution is considered, and in that also silver rod is dipped. Here electrodes are same. In that case, in previous case, one side electrode is zinc, another side electrode is copper, but here both rods are same, silver rods are there, means this is not electrode concentration cells, because electrodes are same, means this one is electrolyte concentration cell, because here electrolytes are different, silver nitrate in one beaker, another silver nitrate in another beaker, but concentration of that electrolyte is in both beakers is different. Therefore, this is example of electrolyte concentration cell. This is difference between that simple chemical cell and concentration cells. That is, in concentration cells, if rod having same concentration is considered, same rods are electrodes are same considered, then electrolytes having different concentration is considered, and electricity generated in concentration cells is because of transfer of ions from higher concentration to lower concentration solution. If A1 having A1 activity is more than A2, then ions migrated from A1 to A2. Remember that in concentration cells, electricity is generated because of transfer of ions from higher concentration to lower concentration. And in chemical cells, electricity is generated because of redox chemical reaction takes place. A redox chemical, for example, here net cell reaction is redox, that is oxidation of zinc takes place and reduction of copper takes place in net cell reaction. Therefore, here in chemical cells, electricity is generated because of redox chemical reaction, and in concentration cell, electricity is generated because of net migration of ions from higher concentration to lower concentration. Therefore, in chemical cells, net cell reaction involves oxidation and reduction, that is redox chemical reaction, while in concentration cell, net cell reaction involves migration of ions from one higher concentration to lower concentration. And therefore, as material in right side and left side is same, in concentration cells, material at right side electrode and left side electrodes, both are silver electrodes. Therefore right side electrode material, left side electrode material are same here, and therefore this is important part. E standard cell for concentration cells, standard cell for concentration cell is 0, because right side material and left side material is same. That means silver, both sides silver is there in above example, and therefore E standard cell is equal to E standard reduction potential of silver minus E standard oxidation potential of silver. Both sides silvers are there, therefore nets that is materials are same on both sides, therefore standard E standard cell value becomes 0. Then we discuss here one by one, we discuss all that 6 type of cells, their cell reaction, cell representation, cell reactions, that is at anode, at cathode, then net cell reaction, then EMF equation. One by one we discuss for all 6 types. Thank you.